Hey!
Hello!
Welcome back
to our channel SwizSiam.
Today with an incredible day in the Swiss mountains. Our target today, Mittaggipfel.
That we will go there.
Yes, more than there. Around 1.5 hour hike.
Yeah, good, not bad.
Yeah.
Now we walk around 2 kilometers and we take time around 50 minutes. And now only 1 and 30 minutes we will arrive. How do you feel?
Amazing.
With 2 kilometers?
Good.
And now we have around.
Maybe we have the half now.
Oh, okay, so now let's check about the half, how we feel. I see a little bit of snow, so now it's not too cold. Where the way there?
Left, yeah. Is under pressure.
Yeah, I have a headache a little bit. This looks beautiful.
Now we are in the sun.
Wow, beautiful sun. Beautifully. Wow.
First part arrived, right?
Yeah, we have a second part too.
We have a second part.
And we have a third
We
part.
have a third part and a fourth and a fifth and a sixth. No. No, first part. I think we are in the middle now.
Ah, okay. This is perfect. Beautiful view, really amazing. I like see the view very clearly. Don't have too much the tree. Go here, you know.
On the top we will see all around.
Yeah.
Only 30 minutes.
Is the Lake Lucerne?
Genau, in the back.
Beautiful valley.
Schatzi, not too much there because it's go down.
With the stone.
Yeah.
Hi. Hello. Now we sit and chill a little bit. You also see all of the city of Lucerne with a beautiful forest.
There is the city of Lucerne there. And you see this lake?
Yeah.
This is Sempacher See. And this is the lake where we sit and chill the last time at the lake, you remember?
I remember.
And where we do the video about...
and where is Sursee?
Sursee is somewhere there and you can see the white smoke there.
I thought this is near the temple.
Ja, genau, this is near the temple. So you see, Switzerland is very small.
This is correct way.
Yeah, it's correct way. Don't touch him.
Flower way.
Flower fields.
Flower way.
Everywhere.
Yeah, we walk in another way because we feel that I didn't go to the top and we didn't have somewhere for eat something, and now we are here for eat lunch and relax, chill, see the beautiful view around here. And how do you feel?
Good. I feel good. I feel the nature is amazing and it's calm. We spent 1 hour here, maybe eat something, and then we make us on the way back home.
Yeah, really here is quiet. Hear only the sound of the animal, and don't have people here. It's private and quiet. I really like here. Now we will say goodbye and thank you for watching our channel, and I hope that you will like this video of us and continue to watch.
See you next time, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.